This is the Toro Wing, given to me by my mate George. Cut this from EPP. It's very lightweight, very slow flying wing. Used to be commercially available. This is my first flight. Has no covering, sort of minimum spars. I have a 1300 3S in here, which is probably too heavy. I'm going to try smaller and lighter batteries so that I can get this flying as slow as possible. I have a 2204 Eachine motor, 6x4 prop, 2300 kV. Got just the right amount of reflex in it now. Oh, look at that, nice and smooth. Let's see how slow we can fly it past. Look at that, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's a cruiser. Awesome. Just floating around. And that's with a big heavy battery in it too, so how cool is that? If I ramp up the speed, it's going to flex all over the place, but we'll see what it does anyway. Oh, it still goes all right. Whoops. The elevons are so flexy that I couldn't turn it at all when I was going fast. Whoop. Oh, it really doesn't turn very well because the elevons are so flexy. You really got to fly it slowly. Beautiful. Let's try a smaller battery. Alright, we're on 2S now. I've got a little 950 2S battery in there as well as a fishing sinker as well. Nice and light. Hopefully the CG hasn't gone back too far. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Might be a little bit tail heavy. There's a little bit of wind now. This is great. I love it. About a quarter throttle. Who needs speed? That's beautiful. It's full left aileron. Oh. Full right aileron that was, sorry. Try a loop. This could end badly. No, it's alright. Can do anything. Just can't roll going fast. Gorgeous.